Well, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video, and welcome back for another quick look video. So in today's episode, we are actually going to be taking a look at the C6 ZO6 and talking about, is it still literally probably the best bargain for a sports car you can buy? So guys, there is a couple reasons why I believe that this ZO6 behind me here is probably the best bargain you can buy if you're looking for a fast, reliable, good-looking sports car, and let me tell you why. These ZO6s have aged very well, and they still look really, really good. This one here is definitely, I would say, lowered a little bit, and on these nice black wheels, but it gives this whole car a really good stance. Moving around to the front, you know, the ZO6 obviously has the nice splitter on the bottom, and overall this car still has just a very kind of menacing look to it. It's not obviously as aggressive as the newer Corvettes, but still, you have to consider the price per performance that you really actually get out of these cars. I mean, you're getting 505 horsepower, you're getting a car that handles great, that sounds amazing, and for the price that you can get these used, it's just like an insane deal. You know, these on the secondary market now, you should be able to get these for, you know, the low 30s all day. And to me, that's just an insane bargain when you think about, you know, what you're getting for that kind of money. Now, obviously these aren't, you know, supercharged or anything like that, so you don't have a blower, but you still have that LS motor, you still got that 505 horsepower. There's not too much you can go wrong with these. The ZO6 has the little slit up there to help more air. This one has a nice kind of side skirt here on the bottom as well. On the back, you still have the very iconic taillights there. You still have the very iconic quad exhaust. There's not a lot about this car that you really can complain about. Now, obviously, the interiors are not the best on the C6s. They are a little bit cheap compared to especially the newer Corvettes. Have the kind of blades here on the side to let air out that way. So they're not quite as sophisticated, you know, as the new ones, but, you know, considering what you pick these up for, I just think they're probably still the best bang for the buck. I just wanted to jog over real quick and include this C5 ZO6 in this video just so you guys can see a comparison from the evolution of this here C5 to the C6 that we're mainly focusing on in this video. But these are also still a good buy. 405 horsepower, still get the LS motor reliability. These do look definitely a little bit more dated to me, so I would prefer to go with the C6, but to take a quick second and show you basically generation before. So overall, guys, what do you think? Leave a comment in the comment section below if you still like these C6 ZO6s, and let me know if there's any other kind of bargain, you know, really cool cars that, you know, you can buy for this much money and get this much performance. That's gonna do it for this quick look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, throw this channel a subscribe because I do appreciate that, and we will catch you on the next video. Peace.